Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn some simple or easy tricks to learn table from 1 to 4. So here first we are going to see table 1. Here you just have to write numbers from 1 to 10. You just have to write 1 to 10 numbers. So write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is table 1. Just you have to write 1 to 10 numbers. Now let's see 2 table. Here you just have to write numbers 2 to 20. But remember, you have to write even numbers. You have to write here even numbers. So let's take even numbers here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. So here you can say like 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. So these are even numbers from 2 to 20. Now next we are going to learn 3 table. Here you just have to write numbers from 0 to 9 from bottom. There are 2 steps, but first you just have to write 0 to 9 numbers from bottom. So let's take 0 to 9 numbers from bottom. Here enter 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So here we have entered 0 to 9 numbers from bottom. Now there is a second step also. So you have to write 0 to 3 numbers horizontally. You have to write 0 to 3 numbers horizontally. So from first row you have to write from first row. So in first row you have to write 0, 0, 0. Now in second row you have to write 1, 1, 1 and 1. After that in third row you have to write 2, 2, 2, 2 and here last you have to write 3. So you can see here we write number. You can say like 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 14, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27 and 3 tens are 30. So here you can see table of 3. Now next we are going to learn table 4. So here also you have to write numbers from 0 to 8 from bottom. But remember even number. You have to write even number from bottom. So take 0, then 2, then 4, then 6 and then write. Use this same method from here. Write 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So we have done this. So here is second step also, that is now you have to take 0 to 4 number horizontally. 0 to 4 number horizontally. So in first row you have to take 0, 0, 0. In second row you have to take 1, 1. In third row you have to take 2. In fourth row you have to take same number, that is a 2. Remember this. And in fifth row you have to take 3, 3, 3. And here last you have to write 4. So you can see here our fourth table is done. You can say like 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. So these are the tables from 1 to 4. Easy to learn, easy to remember. Thank you.